How to fix GTA 5 real rage plugin hook crash 2025 easy fix. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So to fix the GTA 5 rage plugin hook crash, you can try these methods. You can verify game files and check for outdated plugins. You can verify integrity, like right click on GTA 5 in your library, select properties, then install files and click verify integrity of the game files. And you can update rage plugin hook, like download the latest version from the official website and review your plugins folder and identify any that haven't been updated for the current game version. And you can also fix it by launching the game. You can launch rage plugin hook and navigate to the game settings, enable windows only and dx11 mode. You can switch back to full screen after the game starts using control plus enter. And in range plugin hooks advanced settings, disable the custom loading screen. And you can also try revert game version, like if the issue is related to recent update, consider reverting to an older game version within the rage plugin hook settings. And you can also try temporarily disable mods folder. You can rename your mods folder to slash mods to temporarily disable it and see if a mod is causing the crash. And you can ensure that no other software is conflicting with rage plugin hook or GTA 5. And you can also examine rage plugins hook error logs for more specific information about the crash. And the other potential issues are, if the above steps don't resolve the issue, it's possible that some game files are corrupt. And verify the game files again and try a fresh install, and ensure that GTA 5 and rage plugin hook have the necessary permissions to run correctly. And if battle eye is enabled, it can sometimes interfere with mods. Try disabling it temporarily. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.